let's begin our video project for the Coffee Lab. And this is the first page. You can see our Coffee Lab table and also our names and student IDs. On the second page, we can see a clearly process flow diagram on the screen, and this is what I'm gonna explain in details in the following pages. And on this page, you can see our brewing machine and also the coffee bean type we chose and the grinding machine. For the mass balances, we used 910 grams of water and 100 grams of green beans, 80 grams of roasted beans, which means during the roasting process, we wasted 20 grams of the beans. And for the waste streams, we wasted water for 80 grams during the boiling process and 35 grams of roasted beans during the roasting process, 4.5 grams of beans during the grinding process. For the type of beans we used Columbia washed green beans, and we chose these beans for the reason that it has a light flavor and some fruit flavor in it. We used the Clever Coffee Brew brewing method to make coffee. And for the roast level, we used the light roast, which is 775. And for energy usage, for each step, we used 0.09 kilowatts per hour for heating the 1000 grams of water, and we used 0.18 kilowatts per hour during heating the roasted beans. And also the other numbers you can see on the screen. For the total number, we add the energy we used for 45 grams of roasted beans and the energy we used for heating the water, and also the energy penalty, which is 0.573 kilowatts per hour, and the total number is 0.7755 kilowatts per hour. And we also have some ways to minimize our energy. Our team used one type of beans to roast, which means we can roast it 80 grams of beans for one time. And also we can save more energy in roasting. We also grinding the 45 grams of coffee beans at one time. We had to use about 910 grams of water, and we boiled 1,000 grams of water at once when we boil the water. There's enough hot water in one time. It avoids the energy waste by boiling water a second time.
The TDS for our final design brew is 1.11%. After we calculate, we get our P for final design brew is 1.11 times 810.5 grams and divided by 45 grams and equal 19.98%. And our sensory evaluation go our brew. Oh, it's a little bit sour, smell like fruit, but not bitter. Competition, other classmates give us 28.37, and the final score is equal to 140.90. A future hypothetical context to improve. We will try to use dark roast coffee beans to make coffee because the dark roast can reduce sour and increase bitter, or we'll add more roast bean to make the brew coffee. We will try to use higher temperature water to brew coffee. Thank you for watching.